Alright, we're back. Slight change of plans. Because I don't have a battery for the ESC, I thought I did, but I don't. So it's going to be a little bit for me to get a hold of one of those. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the tires on and then I'll put the body on. But I'm going to be doing a separate video of the paint, so I'll put the body on for now and then we'll put the paint on. I'm waiting for this, so it's going to start looking like a truck. Kind of see everything else is done. I had to go through and I put a couple things on backwards. Bumper isn't even part of the instructions, the original one. So a lot of the instructions are based off of one of the older models. So they've obviously made some changes since then. So anyways, let's get things open. So I know everybody likes this part. Well, these don't smell as much anymore. Or maybe I'm clogged up. That's cool. Those are nice. Now, I don't know what nice is, so don't take my word for it. This is my first car like this. So, obviously been doing some painting today. So these are pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm assuming they're pretty self-explanatory, but I'll look at them. See if there's anything funny. The screws are different, but that's okay. So this isn't going to be a very long video. Unfortunately, it doesn't make sense for me to do the electric if I can't test it. So I'm going to just wait and do a quick electric and then run on the same day. It'll be the last video for this. So in between, what we'll do is we'll do put the body on. Seems like there's only a couple of screws anyway, so that hopefully won't take long. I'll pop back and forth. Two. I don't know anything about prepping these things. I'm not gluing them. I don't think you're supposed to. These things are slow moving, so that don't make no sense. But what do I know? I don't. I'm new to all this. So you crawler guys or scale guys, you let me know what I'm doing. I won't take no offense. People afraid of making mistakes that bother me. It's okay to make mistakes. You learn a hell of a lot more from making a mistake than you ever did from doing it right. If you did it right all the time, it wouldn't be much fun because you never win nothing. You never have that process of winning. Kind of like the process of sacrifice. Got to do a little something to get something. But anyways, so this one looks about done. I think they're all the same. That's cool. Go on though. Scared to break it. He's supposed to go on this tight. Holy cow, that's tight. Alright. I'm not breaking nothing today. Famous last words, right? There we go. That's not bad. It's starting to look like a truck. think you need screws on these things. Holy crap. Much better. So, got some good weather tomorrow. I'll be out on the track testing out some of the new rigs. Well, with the new ESC and stuff. Oh, that's pretty nice. That is pretty nice. Gotta say, I'm digging this truck. Oh. I'm not putting the window in yet, and I'm not doing the interior. This is just going to be kind of a loose fitter. I don't quite understand how the bumper's supposed to work. I guess it goes like that. Yeah, that looks right. Alright, I'll come back when I get a few of these bits and bobs together and we'll take a look. Alright, so we did the bed first and I put the bumper on that. Again, I'm not putting the windows in or the interior because I'm going to be painting all that. But it's just 3 screws. It's pretty simple. Again, these instructions are not for this model. The bumper's different. So I'm kind of, it's self-explanatory, but it's not. I'm still, I don't know what I'm doing. So, anyways. So this is the body. Hopefully I do it right. But and then I'll be putting my interiors in, get them painted. So that's about it for this one. Seeing I'm not doing the electric in it, but it looks like a truck now. It looks like a truck. I'm digging it. I'm really digging it. Oh, I can put this on too.